How to create a collaborative playlist just on your Spotify application here on your Android or Apple device. Now, for this, what you have to do is simply open your Spotify app here on your mobile phone. Make sure you have updated the latest version. And now click on the Spotify just like this. On the Spotify homepage, you're going to see all the songs of your choice on your homepage. On the bottom of screen, you're going to see five options: home, search, library, premium, and create. You simply have to create this option. Click on create on at the bottom left of right of the screen. And then again, you will get three options called playlist, collaborative playlist, or blend. Click on this collaborative playlist. Here you can name your playlist like this is my name. I will enter and click on create. Now I can add songs to this playlist and I can add members. I can share this playlist to anywhere I want. So this is how I can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.